ready to turn your cryptocurrency profits into spendable cash. In this final video of our Crypto.com series, I'll show you exactly how to convert your crypto back to fiat currency and access your funds through traditional banking. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Knowing how to convert crypto to fiat is essential for realizing your gains and using your cryptocurrency in the everyday world. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to your cryptocurrency wallet. Select the crypto asset you want to convert, then tap the Sell button. Make sure you're selling to your fiat wallet, not to another cryptocurrency. Choose the amount you want to convert. You can select a specific amount in your local currency or choose to convert a percentage of your holdings. The app will show you the current exchange rate and exactly how much fiat currency you'll receive. Confirm the transaction details including any conversion fees and the final amount that will be deposited into your fiat wallet. The conversion typically happens instantly, and you'll see the funds in your fiat wallet immediately after confirmation. Once converted to fiat, you can withdraw to your linked bank account. Go to your fiat wallet, select Withdraw, choose your linked bank account, and transfer the funds. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days depending on your location and bank. A crucial pro tip: keep track of your transactions for tax purposes, as converting crypto to fiat may be a taxable event in many jurisdictions. Also, consider converting during periods of high liquidity for better exchange rates. And that completes our Crypto.com journey. You now know how to navigate the entire ecosystem from account setup to converting your crypto back to traditional currency. If this entire series helped you master Crypto.com, please give this final video a like. What has been your most valuable takeaway from our Crypto.com tutorials? Share your success stories in the comments below. For more financial guides and tech tutorials, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.